Hi, I'm Jeremy with MoldStar Remediation, and I'm a certified microbial consultant. You can find me on the web at moldstarremediation.com. You can also call me at 404-989-9981. A question that I'm often asked is, can I remove a mold problem myself? Deciding whether to clean up the mold yourself or to hire a professional depends on numerous factors. For small mold problem caused by water damage that is less than 10 square feet, you can probably remove the mold problem yourself. I recommend reviewing the mold cleanup tips and techniques on the EPA's website. The EPA's website has advice and recommendations for removing small mold problems. For mold remediation projects that are larger than 10 square feet that is caused by water damage, it is wise to have an experienced mold professional remediate the mold. They will need to have containment in place with negative pressure and other proper engineering controls so the mold does not spread to unaffected areas. Professional mold remediators need to remove the mold problem using the best practices that are learned by taking IICRC mold remediation classes. If you see mold indoors that is not associated with water damage, the mold problem is likely due to high humidity and indicates that the air is severely contaminated and there is a lot more mold growth indoors that you can't see. For mold growth indoors that is associated with high humidity, I recommend hiring a professional mold inspection company to collect air samples to determine which indoor locations are contaminated, so the cleaning plan can be established. When the air is contaminated, there is going to be non-visible mold contaminants on every surface, including walls, ceilings, floors, and personal contents that need to be remediated. For mold problems associated with sewage or other contaminated water, I recommend hiring a professional mold remediator. I recommend having air samples collected by a professional mold inspector after a mold remediation or if you are having health-related problems that are believed to be associated with mold exposure. If you have health concerns, I recommend consulting with a medical doctor. If you have questions about mold or need some advice or a mold remediation, please call MoldStar Remediation. Thank you.